Welcome back, guys, to Whiskey Garage, when we'll continue the series of the Garrison brothers. This is episode 2, and we're starting off with the Ladybird, which is a honey-infused cognac finished. Stay tuned, guys. Garrison Brothers Ladybird, limited release. MSRPing at $179.99, proofing out at 114. Aged 4 years in one barrel, infused with Burleson's honey for 8 to 9 months, then aged another 3 years in a French cognac XO cask. Limited release, so it may cost you a little bit more if you can find it, but is it worth it? And here we go. Let's see what we got on the nose. Oh, look at that. It gives me a good remnants of honey and like a cooked waffles, like when you walk into like one of those Cold Stone creamery places where they make the waffle cones. It smells really sweet. I can imagine not being very pleasant on the palate, so let's get right into it, because you know we don't care about the nose. Does it taste good? Yeah. It is delicious. That is all honey. It doesn't have those typical bourbon notes where caramel, vanilla. It's just straight honey, kind of like almost like an añejo finished tequila. Añejo finished whiskey in a tequila barrel. A little dark chocolate, also, those Fig Newton cookies. It's like when you bite into one, it tastes like a honey drizzled Fig Newton. Oh, that's super pleasant. The finish is very long lasting. Some cherries pop out at the end. This is excellent, guys. Have you guys tried this? I know it's a little difficult to find, but I'm 100% for this one. Hope you guys are. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried it, if you guys would buy it again. What do you guys think about this? Is it not in your area? Is it too hard to find? I've had a good friend let me borrow this bottle because it's so hard for me to find in my area, but thanks for who you are for letting me borrow this bottle, and I'm still on the hunt for this bottle. This bottle is excellent. I hope you guys can find it so you can add it to your selection, not collection. Thanks, guys.